If you are looking for the best car wash brush, here is a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Mother's 155800 long-handled brush. With an extra long handle, this brush is designed for wells and wheels but can be used almost anywhere on your vehicle. The soft bristles mean that you can use this without fear of scratches or scrapes, and the rubber bumper leaves you with extra peace of mind for your vehicle's well-being. This is a long-handled car wash brush that is comfortable to use too. While the handle allows you to get into almost any tight spaces, it also comes with an ergonomic, non-slip grip to help you really get into those tougher spots and tighter spaces. Number 2. Camco 43633 RV Flow-Through Wash Brush. If you're looking for an RV or larger truck wash brush, then this item is a good option. Coming with a range of features to help make short work of cleaning even the largest vehicles, you'll find that this item is easy to use and comes at a great price. While this brush won't shift very tough stains and problem spots, it's a great choice if you're looking for good coverage over larger areas. The integrated squeegee and water flow control help give a fantastic clean and softens up the tougher dirt and grime at record speed. Number 3. Weiler 73146 Polystyrene Vehicle Care Water Brush. If you're looking for a replacement car wash brush head, then you can't go wrong with this brush head from Weiler. Extremely popular and compatible with all screw-top poles, this option is also compatible with flow-through poles. The bristles are soft enough to work well with the bumper, allowing you to wash your vehicle with complete peace of mind while removing scratches and scrapes. Meanwhile, the bristles are known for lasting much longer than others, even if they are placed farther apart than most competitors. Number 4. Unger HydroPower Bi-Level Soft Wash Brush. Light in weight and durable in materials, this car wash brush is 10 inches wide and can be attached to a fixed, telescopic, or flow-through handle. You could easily use this product on a flow-through pole for your lifted truck and then affix it to a fixed pole to wash your sports car. The synthetic head materials are strong and durable, able to withstand the extreme circumstances of washing your vehicle. Gentle bristles penetrate deep without leaving spiderwebs of scratches on your paint. Speaking of the bristles, they may not be the softest available. Number 5. CARCAREZ 10-inch Car Wash Brush. Like our other top choices for the best car wash brush, CARCAREZ brush attaches to a variety of handle types, such as fixed, extensions, or telescoping. You can even hook up a flow-through handle so you don't need to have a bucket of water nearby. The super soft bristle material makes it a great choice for you darker colored car owners out there, especially since the density of the bristles allows you to add some elbow grease without risking damage to your paint.
Thanks for watching the video.